Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're gonna see how to download Kick Stream on PC. To download Kick Stream on your PC, just follow these simple steps. Since Kick Stream may not have a direct PC version, you'll need to use an Android emulator like BlueStacks to run the app on your PC. Go to the BlueStacks website and download the latest version of the emulator. Install BlueStacks on your PC, then open it. Sign in with your Google account and in the Play Store search bar, type Kick Stream. Click on the Install button to download the app onto BlueStacks. Once the installation is complete, you can find Kick Stream in the BlueStacks home screen or in the My Apps section. To do so, click on Launch and start streaming on your PC using Kick Stream. This method allows you to run mobile apps on your PC seamlessly. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.